kiddo. I'm Apple and I'm APPLE. Remember, I'm the first fruit in the alphabet, just like the letter A.
Hey, kiddo. I'm Orange and you spell my name as O-R-A-N-G-E. Easy, easy.
Hello, I'm Banana. You can spell my name as B-A-N-A-N-A. Bet you didn't know it's the same forward and backward. Apple, A-P-P-L-E.
Orange, O-R-A-N-G-E.
Banana, B-A-N-A-N-A. Hi, kiddo. Hope you enjoyed the videos. Subscribe now for more videos. Thank you. Goodbye.